Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Tonpeiyaki. It is something similar to Okonomiyaki but easier and faster to make. Tom means pork and pei means flat. So it doesn't have to be fluffy or creamy inside. You can just cook it on the pan. So it is super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Cut the pork into small pieces. Cook in a frying pan and season with salt and pepper. Then set aside. You want to leave the oil to cook the eggs. Beat 2 eggs and pour into the frying pan. When the eggs are half done, add the fillings. Handful of shredded cabbage. Tenkasu tempura scraps makes the dish really tasty, but if you don't have it, you can skip it. Cooked pork. Chopped green onions. Fold in half and cook thoroughly.
Tonpeiyaki っていうのよ。
気持ちいい揚げたね。
Cut into bite-sized pieces. Serve on a dish and finish with the toppings. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
大人はこのね4等分にしたのをこうやってくるって持ってこのままパクって大きな口で食べてもいいけど、子供はねやっぱ結構ちっちゃめに、そうだね8等分ぐらいにした方がいいのかな。なんかちょっと本当お任せです。でもこうやってねくるっと巻いていただきます。いただきます。
食べてみたい。
食
べたい。食べてみたいだって。
おいしい。キャベツがジューシーですごく美味しいです。ぜひ作ってみてください。またね。あれまたでは。